Hey guys, just a quick video here. Aren't these books cool? I'm so glad you got a hold of these and have them in your hands, and now we can do some really cool things with them. So I asked you to cut out a bunch of pages, but there's a bunch more that we'll cut later. Okay, so starting on page 55A, you're going to cut these cards out. They're in on single sheets, but they have two sides to them. So you want to make sure to cut straight down the dotted line, straight across, straight back up. And when you get to this little triangle tab, you want to cut that off. So my technique is to cut first the top line, the side line, the bottom line, and the outside edge. Then I cut down the middle, and then I cut up the edges so you have them in strips, and then I go and snip off the triangles. Okay, so I just cut, because you don't need that little triangle piece. Anywhere there's a dotted line, you can cut. Okay, so that's the idea. Get those all cut out, and then you use those by looking at the front side, and the triangle will always be in the upper right hand corner if you have it faced upright. The back side shows the answer. Okay, so if I'm looking at 2 times 5 or 5 times 2, I'm looking at the same fact because it's just the commutative. You see how they just switched the two factors? So you think, what's 2 times 5 or what's 5 times 2? And then you give the answer. Okay, if you can say right away that it's 10, then you know that one really fast. Okay, but if you have to go 2 times 5, let's see, that's 5 and 5, that's 10. 10 is your answer, so you got it right. But you didn't get it very fast, so I would put that on the second pile. I know it, but I didn't do it very fast. Okay, if I said 2 times 5 is 20, uh-oh, that was fast, but it's not right. So I'm going to put that on a third pile. That means that those are the ones that I need to practice the most because I didn't even know the right answer. Okay, so I'm going to know some fast, some I'll know, but not very fast, and some I won't know. Okay, and the last part is you check yourself on the back. It says the answer first is 10, and then that equals 2 times 5. 10 also equals 5 times 2, and then it has your count bys, 5, 10, or it has the 2's count bys underneath the 2. That's kind of cool. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then at the bottom it has what we call a fast array. And so you have 2 on one side, 5 on the top, two circles with 5 in each row would be 10. And so in the middle, in the green, that's how many little circles you would have if you drew them all. When you have 2 on one side and 5 on the top, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so that's how you do your work. Have fun with your books.